What is up, everybody? I'm here with my guy, Sean Foy. Super excited. Today's the first time that we ever meet, but we've known each other for a long time on social media, and we've been wanting to do a collaboration for a long time. Saturday, so in 2 days from now, we're gonna be doing a tattoo collaboration. But today we got a wall. We both like to do graffiti. We like to paint. So we're gonna go out to Wynwood, have a lot of fun. We're gonna paint this dope ass wall, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You excited, bro?
Hell yeah, bro.
All right, let's go. Let's get some paint. Come here.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh yeah. So the way that I go about very similar to the way that I do my tattoos, except with like graffiti. You can go over the previous paint that you did, but what I do is I usually have an outline, and then I'll go over that outline with solid black, and I work from black, so I get basically all my occlusions, all my shadows, all my darks, and then I start blending a dark tone into that black, and then I start building light into those tones. So I'll do like black, then I'll do like a shadow color, then I'll do a medium color over that, just to kind of shape up the object, and then I start painting light into that. So you guys are gonna see the process as I keep going.
And then this one.
To which one?
This green right here. This base one, you know?
For what?
For the tentacle.
Oh,
Yeah. But I have this, I know that this is the one I like. So I can run over to 004 and see if he's got it, or I can run over to Montana and see if they got something.
Yeah.
We'll be good. Yeah.
I like it though. Because I have to be like, it's the way my mind.
Yeah, I like it.
One of the things that I really love about being out here is the interactions you get to have. It's like kind of like a live performance a little bit. People come around, they look at your work, you get to meet new people, you get to network and just have a good time. And it's a little bit of a much different vibe than tattooing. I mean, I love tattooing as well, but this is something special. And the format, you know, it's so big and people get to see your work, you know. it's a really good way of like promoting your artwork and just coming out and having fun and just being a little bit more free and just enjoying what you do. So this is dope. We're getting there. We're almost there. As you guys can see, it's already pretty blocked in. Sean's doing amazing over there. His piece is looking fired. We have to wait till 6 o'clock till these gates come down, because we're gonna run some letters to represent the channel and my studio, our city. And but we gotta wait for that to come down so we can finish that up. But so far we're just gonna work on the background. I gotta add some secondary light source, and we're on our way. So I just got here at 6 a.m. in the morning. We gotta finish our piece. And we got a nice little surprise. This is what they did to Sean's. This is what they did to Sean's piece. I can't believe after all that work, some asshole just came and did that shit. Oh man. Sean's not gonna be happy, but you know what? This is part of the game. This is the kind of shit that happens out here, and it's gonna be good. We're gonna redo it. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna keep at it. Damn, man. Alright, so it's 7:50 next morning. Sean decided to hop back into the piece. It took him a little while. He felt very, very defeated, but you know, kind of give him some words of encouragement, and now he's back. Dusted himself up, and now he's doing his thing again. Sean, what's up?
What up?
How you feeling this morning? You get knocked down, you get back up, right?
Yeah, like
it's looking good.
30%.
Yeah. For you want to tell the story about your little friend?
I mean, you know, I don't want to get this movie filed. You know?
Good.
You know, he's at home. You know, obviously watching everything I'm doing. So,
yeah, 100%, bro.
You know, the flattery, dog.
We're getting it. We are getting it. This is where I'm at so far. I gotta finish this hand up. Gotta finish the hand. It's looking kind of small. I gotta go over it and just kind of recheck the size to make sure that I like what I'm doing. Yeah, it needs a little more size, and yeah, it's gonna look amazing when it's done. Alright, we're almost done. Got my character done. Got all the rest of the letters done right here. My boy Sean is working on this area right here, and we just gotta wait till these doors shut down so I can finish it up. My boy's E's work. what time it is. Look at that. It's amazing. 2 days. Very interesting culture that I'm getting into right now. Fire, man. That. 2 days. Look at all this work we got done. There's a lot more to come. This is my friend Freaky right here. She rocked this letter yesterday in like an hour. It's a really beautiful culture out here. It's kind of dark. Certain things happen. My boy got his mess. Other than that, I mean, can't have flowers without mud, right?
Is that right?
Looks beautiful, bro.